Hi everyone, this is another video tutorial dedicated to data validation, which is very important in business intelligence world. So here we have two tables linked together, so we have customers and orders, and let me show the actual data. So we have a list of customers from 1 to 9, and we have orders, and we have customer ID 56, which does not exist in our customers table. Okay, so let me start processor. We already created the transformation, so let's check if it actually works. It is failed. And if we look at the actual data, we see there is nothing is loaded. Which is expected, nothing wrong with that. So what can we do about it? How can we check if the customer ID actually exists? This is done using validator transformation. So we just validate it. We need to map the data first, just to map. And we add is in list transformation function, validation function. So we just link it as well. Our source is SQL Server. So what we are going to do, we are going to load list of customer IDs into the memory and validate our order table against it. Okay, customers, customer ID. Okay, call it. Customer. So if the customer ID does not exist, what we want to do, we want to discard the record, write message to the log file. So let's press very important button called process data. You can see that should work. There is nothing is working. Why is it not working? Should work. Oh, I don't have any customer IDs. So I'm afraid we have to load them. Let's check if customer data is actually populated. Okay, so it is not populated. So what we need to do, we need to load the data first, which is not really that complicated. Let's go with this one. Okay, just remove this. The table is customers. Just mark the data and just delete this one. Again, using automap. Just run it once. Okay, we can automate it. But what can we do? Just delete everything. Okay. Not my best day today, as you can see. So like this further now. I modified the wrong transformation. Totally my fault. So, okay, now we managed to load it. Save it. To undo the damage done. We need to add the just recover it from Russian tool. No, this one. Anyway, so let's add validate the bug. To automap. Add is in list validation function. Say that our source type is SQL, so can we just discard record again? Say that source type is select statement. Okay, we have the data. Good. CC custom check. Let's click preview. So this one is working fine. And that one is working fine, but that one is rejected. Discarded. This is how it should be. Let's run it. Just confirm that there is no records. Okay, let's just run it. And as you can see, one record was discarded for it. Again, right or wrong 3 records. Let's check that if we actually have any data. Okay, here it is. As you can see, you can do a lot of validations using advanced ETL processor. And again, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to support forum and ask them there. And as usual, we'll do our best to help you, and you might be surprised how fast we will get the answer back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.